Hey, glue troopers, I can't find my comb. So, hey guys, welcome to a little quick episode of Max's Models. I actually, yesterday, after I'd made my video, went back out to the Tarbis, got a little work done. Now today I've got a few things going on, so I probably won't get out to tonight, but I want to get a quick video out. So I was working on the space pod, and when it came time to actually assemble it, even though the parts individually fit without any trouble, when you put them all together as a whole, I ran into some resistance getting everything to fit. So I wound up having to really anchor stuff down. I had a little bit of tape in there holding a few things in place that might have caused a little bit of trouble, but I don't think so. It's a good kit. The parts fit okay individually, but getting them all together and getting them kind of snap in place, it can get a little tricky. A little bit of pressure, so I wrapped a big old rubber band around it after I glued everything down. I just gave it overnight to harden. Also, those landing gear legs, there's 3 of them, and 2 in front, 1 in back. Really cool, but there's 11 parts per landing pad. The pad, the pin, the 3 arms, the 3 anchor points, the 3 pins, 1 for each of the anchor points. You build up the landing gear, which is really cool. And there's the aft one has a longer middle leg, so you have to be careful of that. Make sure you get them in the right place. But everything's pretty much pre-painted. Today, hopefully just finish off assembling it, the last of the external, get the face on it. I got the clear parts in. And that will hopefully finish that off today or maybe tomorrow. And while I was in the office, I went ahead and started on that Tamiya M151A2 Mutt Jeep. And man, that's a great little day build. Typical Tamiya kit. It's almost more of an assembly program than anything else, so all I got to do now is paint it. And just fantastic. I went in and put the radio on. It's going to be like an airport Jeep. It's not going to be all tactical. It's just going to be olive drab with maybe a star. And then I'll have the radio on it, and that's it. I got to make a whip antenna for it. That Tamiya tells you to stretch sprue. They don't give you an antenna. They tell you to stretch sprue to make your own antennas, which probably works better. Hey guys, I'm back in the office for a minute. I forgot to mention I completely redid the Willy Let space taxi. Not like an elaborate rebuild, strip, repaint, redecal, touch up. And I really like the way it looks now. Way better than that light blue. You know, that thing was originally in the opening montage when I did the long intro. And apparently when I got the kit, I think I just had a bunch of light blue paint laying around and did that, and it never looked right. So I was like, yeah, it was a cheapo kit, you know, picked up in a lot or something. Now I wish I'd taken more time with it, but I've kind of made up for that, and I really like the way it looks now. So it's actually going to stay here in the office. Okay, back to Garage Max. And a great day building yesterday, and things are coming together. Still have to touch up the pod when I'm done. So we'll give you a report hopefully later tonight or tomorrow to see how things are going. You take care of yourselves, and as always, model on.